All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get this trade in. Is it 30? Is that right? What is it on 1%? Ah, that's what it is. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I do it the old-fashioned way because apparently my trading view is not wanting to work. Fuck my life. We're gonna do. Oh my god. Sorry, guys, I'm having problems here. I want to double check something. Yeah, see, that's what I fucking thought. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this trade. I'm gonna miss this fucking trade. All right. Let's. 6 point. I don't know why it was giving me 20. I don't think I'm gonna get this, guys, but hit the like button. Thank you, Pratish. Let me get some music going in here. For some reason, I was trying to set this up. What's up, guys? So I'm not currently in any trades. Piss me off because this is gonna be the trade that I'm literally $50 away from passing phase one of the one challenge. Just give me a retest. I'll just hop in. Be like something like right there. Of course, I'm getting in. I'm not ready. They're gonna break out the old calculator. Let's see what happens. I'm sure I'll get a retest. Fuck off. All right. Let's. Put that on there. Oh my god. I don't know what's the deal with this. Is everybody else running the lot size calculator on TradingView? Can someone inform me if they are, if... Well, I gotta get this out here. Come on, just give me one more retest and I'll do it. I have no idea how to use calculator. No worries, BetaBot. Don't worry, I'll go over AXSUSD in a moment. Just let me get into my trades because I was trying to set things up on my computer and just hasn't been working. No use Stinu app? What is that? Is that something I can use on my phone, or is that like a desktop application? And watch, this trade's gonna be a fucking winner. I already know it. I'm gonna miss out. Damn. I'll definitely look that up right now. I'm downloading it. Let me just get this out here as well. Sorry, guys. I'm in the zone right now. Let me just figure this out. All right, just give me up a little bit higher and I'll enter. I don't care. Okay. Let me open up. I need to focus for like 30 seconds. Where the fuck is my other? Oh, you have to pay for this? Oh, it's $15 a year. Fuck it. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Fucking I'll enter right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this is taking way too long. All right. Well, I kind of deserve it at this point. So I'm just going to use, if I miss out on these trades. I'm just going to enter now. Fuck it. Oh my God, dude. It's going to be terrible. Well, I'm not in any trades. This has been fun today. Of course, I just started to integrate my computer, and it just fucks everything up. Should have done it with my phone. Now, this one I have to be careful on because $27.1. Just such a bad entry. I might do something like that. I might do something like this and only just risk 1%. Maybe that's a bad idea. Who knows? Fuck it. No, I can't do that. You know what? I'm just gonna let the one trade ride. If I get an entry back at 106.42, I'm just gonna set it on the 100K account. I'm not gonna rush anything. I tried integrating MetaTrader 5 before hopping on stream, and I just had fucking problems. So I've been using like this desktop version, and hasn't been fun. I literally just need $50 profit on this account in order to pass phase 1. What's up, guys? Sorry about that. I have not been keeping up on chat just because I've been trying to get my trades in. Grant, what's your lot size setting on this here? Is it 1,000 or 100? If anyone else is using the position size as 1,000, so why is it? Okay, so these numbers are pretty close. All right. I'm just going to set my entry a little bit lower just to give myself a little bit of room for error. So 28.21. I'm just going to set a limit order, and if it hits, it hits. If not, fuck it. 28.2, stop loss 1.06. Take profit. Oh. Fuck it. I'm entering now. Wait, why can I enter? $8.21. Okay, I'm in. About damn time. All right, let's set a stop loss here. We might just get stopped out right away. Did I risk 1.5? Okay. I still gotta set this just in case. Today might be a quick one, boys. Strong P. Hey Johnny, we'll be doing BTC analysis today. Yes, I will. I got all my trades set up. I want to make sure everything's all set. I'm risking like less than 1% on this account. I'm literally just, I need to get it to 27K. So if not, I might just lose $100. So it's just nice getting towards like the end of a challenge. You don't have to worry about losing or being as aggressive, because when you're passing a challenge, you just have to get the actual profit minimum. You don't have to go over. Anything else over that is useless. So for me, it's just trying to secure that extra $50. I took a trade. It was a winner for London session. I can go over that. But we are, let's see what happens here. But yeah, Strong P. I will be I'll go over. Let me go over yesterday's session or earlier session today, and then we'll go over BTC. Who's the challenge with? So I currently have 2 challenges. I have one with Tradingview, which is a newer firm, and I have a 100K challenge with Funded Next. So, all right, let's go over London session quick. Shut up. So we're looking for either to take the sweep of the low or the high of the Asia session, which I believe, yeah, this was the low, and then this was the high. So obviously we got a sweep of the low first. From there, you're looking for a break of structure entry. Your break of structure entry was here. Sorry, this line here. Oh. All right, so all you do is look for a candle body close above it. I actually got in. Wait, was it on GU? I don't remember what I traded. What did I fucking trade today? Yeah, it was 0. Okay. I can't even remember the trades I'm taking. All right, so it was 0. So basically, once you get a candle body close above here, enter. I actually got an early entry because for some reason I thought this candle body closed above, but it didn't. So I got in like about here. Stop loss below the low. All right, and then TP at 2. So we're using a fixed risk to reward ratio of 2. So that was a winner today. This is most likely going to be a loser. So it is what it is. So I'll be currently up 1.5% on the 100K account if this is a loss. And then I'll be almost done with the 25K challenge that I started a month ago. I would say a month ago. So, so yeah. I thought you put your trades in an Excel spreadsheet. No. I'm not putting the actual trades. I'm just tracking of like how many accounts that I have. This is not indicative of, actually, I was kind of just showing the math. I'm just doing a spreadsheet on what accounts I currently have. So I'm not actually I'm not tracking the trades, just more to see like how many accounts that I currently have, pass or fail, which I'll probably do at some point as well. I don't plan on failing, but just because I don't plan on failing doesn't mean I can't do it. So, sorry about that, guys. I know it's been a little, that was a rough start. That was definitely a rough start. So let's say hello to everyone. Drew, how you doing, my friend? Beta Bot, D Shuffle. Dude, congrats. That's huge. Thank you. Strong P, Grant Perthish, Beta Bot. Let's see. I'm just catching up with. Oh, was I using a 3-minute chart? Oh, that makes a lot of sense. That still doesn't change anything. I was wondering why. Okay. I didn't realize that, Prateesh. I guess I was scrolling through my phone and I changed it to a 3-minute. Let's see. Okay. Let me just catch up. All right. So, sorry guys, I'm all over the place. So let's go ahead and I'll do some BTC analysis while we're waiting for this to play out. I got it on my other screen. So I mean, I'm not, like I said, I'm not holding my breath. We're probably gonna get stopped out here, which is fine. But let's do BTC analysis. So I know BetaBot was asking for AXS USD as well, but so we'll do crypto real quick. Oh, I just realized I'm in the wrong chart layout. All right, so you kind of got a taste of it. So on the longer term, I'll do this real quick. For BTC, it's gonna be pretty simple. Because of the much larger bearishness of this ABC that we've been in for, I don't know, for fucking almost a year now. Excuse my French. But because of this bearish ABC, I'm a little bit hesitant to be overall more bullish in the market. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but you guys understand that we are getting close to the halvening, or we were probably a good amount, but what's the halvening? March or April of 2024. So we're about 6 months out, and right, is that right? Yeah, about 6 months out. So to me, I'm a little bit hesitant to be a little bit more bullish until we get closer to the actual halvening itself. And from there, I'll do a quick. There's a couple of things that could happen that would make me a little bit more bullish, but I don't see anything in the near future. Me personally, I would like to see something like this play out. Maybe come up from one more high and put in a little. If we get something like that, I might consider taking a hedge position against my short. I don't really plan on taking profit. I might take a profit on a continuation setup if the actual position arises, but I really don't see. Did it get stopped out yet? Hold on. Oh, we're like almost there. All right. So I would need to see a retest, a break below this previous pivot. But in order for me to be bullish, guys, I need to see that or something a little bit larger of a setup play out. I'm not exactly too keen on when it's going to happen, but the actual development of this setup does matter. If we do get it like a quick wick up and then back down, I'm gonna be a little bit less. I'm gonna be a little more hesitant on being long-term bullish. But if this kind of drags out, really builds itself up to a larger setup, I will definitely switch to the a little bit more to the bullish side, or at least give myself a chance to take a long, just in case I am wrong. But if we break below that pivot, all right, we do have, I mean, to be honest, besides the more recent support just slightly below around 24,765 ish, there's really nothing till about 1950. And that's gonna kind of hopefully maybe support the idea that this might be a more exaggerated ABC to the downside, which would be fantastic. But at the moment, we're not necessarily there yet. So, and if you guys know me personally, I would love to see a much larger bearish ABC play out, but just because, you know, I'm looking for this to happen doesn't mean that necessarily is going to happen. This would be the ideal scenario, but we'll have to just wait and see. Romain, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you. All right, so that's BTC. That's pretty much the easy, quick synopsis of that. Let's do AXS USD for BetaBot. I always forget. I'm just gonna. I always. Oh god, I'm tired. I'm gonna need to grab myself an energy drink because I'm fucking tired. I've been up since like 6:30 a.m. I like took a nap after London session after I got after the trade got entered. But pretty much BetaBot's the same thing. We're kind of hovering around this pivot. It's pretty crucial in my opinion. So for me personally, I would need to see this get significantly above in order to be a little more confident to the upside. If we do continue to push, pretty much all we have to do is look for resistance above. The main level is probably going to be around 690. After that, probably 985, and then ultimately $13 to $14 is like the area of key resistance I'm looking for. If I were trading this, I would treat this more as a longer term spot position or a hodl position or a swing trade if you wanted to. Make sure you give yourself a very decently sized stop loss and let the trade actually play out. But BetaBot, that's pretty much it. It's the exact same thing as last time. Let's see. Pratish, I missed the London trade on. Yeah, it's tough timing. Oh, we actually didn't get stopped out. Not yet, at least. But yeah, London trade was pretty good. It's pretty straightforward. No problem, BetaBot. Sounds like my schedule. I'm about to get off work, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. There you go. There you go, Drew. That's a long day. I have goldfish memory. No worry, my friends. No worry. Trust me, I forget sometimes too. But it's always good to get refreshers, so I don't mind going over it. All right, let's see what I miss. You had a trade during London? Yes. So this was the London trade. We had a break below. I actually got in a little bit early because for some reason I thought this candle closed above this wick. I was looking at it on my phone and I didn't realize that it wasn't a actual candle body close. So I didn't necessarily follow the rules 100%. If you were on top of it and were actually paying attention a little bit more than I was, you still would have hit the trade, but it would have taken you a little bit longer. This would have been the setup. So I was in and out pretty quick. I was able to take a nap, thank goodness. Smash the like. Thank you so much, Drew. I really appreciate it. Let's see. All right, so yeah, Grant, I'll let you know. I have to mess around with the MetaTrader. Maybe I'll do it after the stream. I got a lot to do. I'm gonna try to get the Forex stuff. I did a little bit yesterday. I'm probably gonna be doing a big chunk of it today and tomorrow. It's not gonna be too crazy. The main thing I want to highlight is the strategy itself with this, and what this is like utilizing prop firms, how to leverage with prop firms, and then as well as just an overall like lesson about what I personally think is how to identify a good strategy, how to look for a good strategy to use. There's a lot of stuff out there, and trust me, I've done a lot of digging. I always get questions about certain trading strategies, certain ideas, certain ways to approach the market, whether it's Forex, commodities, crypto. And you know, after doing this for a long time, I would say I have a general idea of what a good strategy can be. So in my personal opinion, and based on what I have done, a lot of it's based on price action and taking highs and lows out, trading reversals. And so hopefully I'll make a I'll have a more detailed video on that coming out soon. Just because I'm not saying that this strategy is going to be good and consistent forever. No strategy is, even with ABCs. The difference with ABCs though is that it's played out in a much larger time frame, and we take much we take trades based off much larger actual entries versus a strategy like this where we're just focusing on the 5 minute. So the ability to kind of change the way the market moves on a smaller time frame is a lot easier to do versus a larger time frame. So for me, I'm not saying the strategy is going to go away, but in case it does, it's more of a way to help you guys understand what it takes to find a good strategy or what to look for in a good strategy and go from there. So that's one of the key things I'm going to be going over. Like I said, the strategy itself, how to use it, leveraging prop firms, give you guys kind of an idea of what to look for in case this strategy does not remain consistent and we do have to possibly change strategies if we are going to continue trading Forex. Like I said, this is just a trial period. I was hesitant on actually doing this just because, you know, it's only, I know it's been around for a while. I've only been using it for maybe about a month, I would say 3 weeks to a month. So I haven't been using it long enough for me to kind of confirm if it's consistent or not. So for me, I want to be a little bit, I don't want to go into it too heavily without spending a long time with it. You know, with trading, with ABCs, you know, I've been using ABCs for years now, and that came from Elliott Wave, which I used for a couple months, which evolved from support and resistance, which I used for a couple months. This is kind of taking the same idea of how ABCs work and translating it into a different way. But at the moment, like I said, I'm just not 120% confident in this yet, just because I haven't been around long enough. Now, there's ways to put yourself in a situation to where you can look at things and get a better idea if something is going to work. One of the best ways you can do that is backtesting. If you guys don't know, shout out to Joel and Jay Carpenter. They've been updating this. This is basically a tracker which tracks all the trades using this trade model. You can see they even have screenshots. If you guys need a link to this, I'll drop the link in the in chat or in the description of the video. But one of the ways to kind of help you guide you along your journey to finding a good strategy is back testing, and also forward testing, future testing. So that's what we're doing here. We found a strategy that I like. We looked at the back testing results. We looked at the potential of this strategy. From there, we can take the parameters, learn it, and then from there start forward testing and get a better sense of how it does in live market settings, in live examples in real time. So that's kind of the best way to approach it. So we'll have to just wait and see how this, not this trade, but over the course of, you know, the next couple months, to see how it evolves and how it does. Sorry guys, I gotta log back into my trade locker, which is the other prop firm that I'm using. Let's see. London session was a clear ABC. The thing is, Pradesh, like, I'm treating these accounts as they're like my only, like, to be honest, if I fail these challenges, I'm not going to put any more money into it. This is going to be the only trades I put, or sorry, the only amount of money I'm willing to put into prop firm accounts. The idea is to be conservative past one. So in this case, hopefully the 25K, you know, past the 25K account challenge, start trading that and actually making real money from that, taking the money from there, rolling it over to another account, rolling that, and then hopefully you pass that one. Once you pass the next challenge, roll it over and then build from there. I don't plan on putting, you know, anything more than Maybe I'll do one more challenge if I really mess things up, but I don't plan on putting more than like $1,000 into something like this. And right now I'm sitting at like 600, 700, depending on, I forgot what the exact total was. Around $700. Let's just round it up. So that's just me personally. And once you get to the point to where you're consistently making money from this, then you can be even very, very aggressive with the prop firm challenges. Because all you're really banking on is a good winning streak. Let's see. LOL, my stop got licked on Tradingview 106094. Really? My price didn't even get there on the chart. Gave a 3 pip stop loss too. I guess I should have added more. Same for Phantom. Did he really? Huh, that didn't happen to me. Yes, please. Kind of false breakout strategy. I think it's a bit the same idea as playing on trap traders expecting a breakout. Exactly, Romain. It's the exact same principle. Now back to 1100. Need to pass phase 2 on Tredu. Oh well. Really? Because I got a worse entry than you guys and I still got hit. I mean, I'm still in mine. Even I got stopped out too? Huh. Oh, you know why? You know why I didn't get taken out? My dumbass didn't set a stop loss. That's why. I didn't even realize that. Winner. I completely just messed up. That's why that it all makes sense now. I'm an idiot. I'm in a short in GU right now, such crappy price action. Yes, I definitely agree with you on that. LOL, it's cheating, bro. It is. It is. Unfortunately, I just made a stupid mistake, and I guess it maybe might have worked out in my favor. Oh, shit. Hold on, guys. I gotta take a phone call. Hold on. Someone's calling me. What are you guys saying? Huh? What are you guys talking about? What's up? What the fuck is that? Okay, fixed it. TP. Is it TP? That's not my TP. What's my TP? Holy shit. Okay. TP on my 25K account. There we go. I'm getting out. We're gonna do this live. There you go. Phase 1, 25K account passed. That's all I needed. I needed to get from 25 to 27, so that is passed. Now this trade, my entry on this trade was... My TP has not yet been hit on this trade. I'm only gonna go for like a... I need to go for a little bit more, just a little bit over 2 to get... to cover for fees. Phase 1 done for Johnny. Hey, some of you guys are ahead of me, all right? I'm taking this nice and slow. But yeah, sorry about that. Sorry for stepping out. We bought a new washer for the house, and it lasted maybe 3 weeks, and then there was something going on. The motor was making noise. So I called the warranty company, and they were like, "We'll just send you another one." I'm like, "Cool, fuck it." So they sent another one, and then I got a phone call from the delivery guys. They were outside my house. So they did a quick swap. That's why I was gone. So I get a new washer. Past phase 1, and hopefully, we'll be hitting TP here very shortly on this trade. Come on. I guess we'll pop this up live. Why is it? Oh, this chart is absolutely terrible. I have to like double click to like stop it from... Oh, it's a 1 hour. That's why I'm like, why is this so... Can I turn off? How do you turn off? Come on, just give it to me. One more push. One more push. All right, I got my one more push, but it didn't end. It ended pretty quick. I probably am gonna move my stop loss to break even. Come on, just a little bit more. Get me down on that low. Get me down right here. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Oh. Wait, why did... I'm just going to manually close it because I think I fucked up my TP. There you go. I closed at the right time. So right now I'm at 106,358. Did I do that right? So I was at 103. Yeah, so 3,000. Yeah, I'm there. Let's see. Okay, so nice and simple. Another win. Damn, I'm about to... Is it a 10%? Is this a 10% or 8%? And unfortunately, I do have to like move. I have to move my window when I do this because it's straight up. This gives it like shows my whole fucking name, and I don't want to dox myself. What's my... Oh yeah, I gotta get to 8K. So we're almost there. I just need to hit... What is that? I can do this. Let me try this. Maybe I can't. Alright, I'm just gonna do this instead. There, you guys can see a little sneak peek. All right, so that was another winning trade. I've unfortunately for those who got stopped out on Tradingview, it sucks. Damn, that's really fucking annoying. I'm sorry for you guys. That's some bullshit. Literally some bullshit. So currently, so right now, I'm at 63,358. So after I got my little bit extra from the commissions, from the extra risk to reward, so we'll be hitting the, hopefully we'll be hitting the $8,000 profit target soon. I also passed phase 1, which is really crazy to believe. So now we got to get 5% on phase 2. And then, yeah, because of spread. That is, yeah, unfortunate. That's really fucking stupid. Of course it does that. Wish I could just take this 6. Imagine one day we'll be able to take that money like that out. One day. And like, I've made money like this in the past, but it's not on the level of this. Actually, it's kind of close. Nah, not as close as this. Are you going to do a giveaway for your profit? Yeah, I'll consider it. I'm not gonna give away all of it, obviously. I got bills to pay, Pratish. But yeah, I'll give some away. I'll give some away. Is that NFT art you have? No, it's just a desktop. screensaver. It's a stupid little funny cartoon. Let's see. Romaine, I thought you never move your stop loss. Yes, usually I don't. But we're trying it out for this strategy. We're trying it out. Did you balance the washer? Yes, Drew. Yes, we did. For a second, I was like balancing, and then I forgot. My friend told me about that. We got to do this one again. So after, I mean, I'm not gonna stay on stream all day, but after we're done here, I gotta balance this one. Minimum 5 days minimum 5 trading days for funded next. Yeah, I saw that, which is fine. Worst case scenario, we can just, I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm still gonna stick to my 2%. Maybe I'll drop down the risk a little bit. Or what I'll do is like I'll hit the profit target, and then I'll just risk like $5-10 extra days just to get it out there. But yeah, I did see that. Hey, Johnny, look at Palladium. Looks good. And Platinum. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That was a short. That was a nice short entry. Beautiful. I would say, yeah, I think this down move could be possibly dying down. I'm not saying it's going to, but it has a chance. I mean, there's an ABC within an ABC. Within that C wave, there's an ABC. So, like, you know, also it's kind of pointing to maybe that we're getting close to being done. Maybe we put it one more low. Not bad. See y'all tomorrow. Yes, Grant, I'll be here. We'll be here tomorrow as well. Take care, buddy. Bounce off, maybe. Definitely, yeah, definitely soon. I would say. It seems like there's a potential retest, at least a retest coming soon. What's the other one? Platinum. Okay. Support there, support there. Support there. Actually, that's the same one. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely some good support coming up soon. ABCs. That was a good bounce. You might get one more low. On a bigger scale, it has a lot more room higher. I definitely agree. Oh, whoops, wrong. I definitely agree. Could be a great entry point. Yeah, I would definitely. That's a good buying spot around this area. If you can get in, around here, it'd be a fantastic pickup zone. And worst case scenario, if that area of support does fail, there's always, you can always pick up a little bit around that 817, 815. Absolutely. Vlad, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Look at daily. Oh yeah. On a daily, I would love to see something like this. That'd be nice. No visa needed as a 2025 to visit you, buddy. Hell yeah. Vlad, if you come to the US, I will personally take you to Jet's Pizza. We might have to catch a flight to do so, but I will take you to Jet's Pizza. I'll buy whatever you want. Pizza's on me. Definitely agree, Strong P, though. Definitely agree. How's the DXY doing? It's still hovering around that area of resistance. I mean, if the DXY clears this, I mean, if we could stay above, that is very good for the dollar. Very good. Please no. Whoa, what's wrong with Jet's Pizza? Oh, you talking about the DXY. DXY perfect should drop about. Yeah, I would say that's a good area for price to at least get a slight rejection. But you know, the one thing I pointed this out for months, guys, for months. All right, that if that ain't a bullish ABC, I don't know what is. So to me, the fact that we sustain above and we continue to push higher, definitely has me thinking that the DXY could be a little bit more bullish. So we'll have to just wait and see. Like it's good that it took out this resistance here. Why did my camera just do that? It is a big ABC, so we need wave C down. A big wave C. If you're talking about this, possibly, but you need some sort of structure within the B wave. So notice how the larger A had its own ABC. All right, the B wave is gonna have to have its own ABC. This is just one uptrend. All right, so if we get a rejection up here, we might come down, put in one more high like this. If we do get this, I will be a lot more confident in a possible reversal for the DXY. The only thing that would have me on the fence is we do something like this, maybe get a rejection off of here, all right, and we just keep going, because it gets to a point to where this ABC, this C leg, it just becomes non-tradable. That's my only concern. But if we get a slightly higher high, even if we go a little bit above and kind of sustain above there and then reject, that's going to be an ideal scenario. But until then, we'll just wait and see. That's probably what I think is going to happen if we are going to get a larger A to a B to a C. Shall we go through the main cryptos one by one? Yeah, we can do that. Do you guys want to do that? I know it's been a while since I've gone through the crackhead playlist. It's been a while since I've actually gone through like all cryptos. So let me know if you guys want me to do that. I know this is a crypto channel. But it's mostly about trading. It's not just about crypto, it's mostly about trading. Why in this DXY wave A altcoins kept dropping? Just I think people are removing money out of alts into BTC. 10 a.m. there's some news, maybe a bit of volatility. Yeah, definitely possibly. I mean, I'm out of my trade, so for me it doesn't really matter. At least you talk about crypto wise, but oh shit. All right. So I went over BTC earlier. If you want, I guys can go over that. I can go over that again. Tedium. Let's see what Ethereum's doing. Probably a whole bunch of nothing. Yep. Ethereum also is on the same path that we're just kind of going sideways and slightly down. So for me, I would need to see a lower low below this pivot in order to be a little bit more bullish. Let me make sure I'm not just crazy. Okay, I am just crazy. There's the spot. Now I know there is a smaller ABC, which is this one here. That is valid, but at this point, I'm kind of looking more for something like this. Yeah, I would need to see at least one more high. That'd be a valid setup for me. We're gonna do. I mean, it's gonna be quick and easy. Like nothing's really going on. Litecoin's kind of hovering around this resistance area, or sorry, support area. Cardano, same thing. I mean, we're sitting on a major leg of a larger ABC. You can see we came back down and tested it as support multiple times. Yeah. This one's dropped a lot more significantly than the other coins, which is good to see. KDA, how's KDA doing? Still a whole lot of nothing. I haven't DCA'd in a while. I think I DCA'd like back in like this region here. What was that? August? Yeah, that makes sense. Let's do shit or Ripple. Kidding. Ripple. No. Try to say that 3 times fast. Ripple is pretty much in the same spot. Like, I'm sorry guys, this is kind of why I decided to try something else. Is because literally a whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Matic sitting at a decently bullish position right now. I actually like Matic a lot. I like Matic a whole lot. Small longs would not hurt. Might catch some nice bottom longs. Yeah, for me, for me, this is more of like an accumulation phase. This is something I would be definitely looking for. I'm still holding short Solana. I'm looking for opportunities to kind of collect some for a longer term position. For the most part, I'm not really too aggressive in spot buying as I once was. Last time around this, well, actually I wasn't really accumulating that much last time around this area between the bull run and the bear run, or bear run bull run. How about AXS? Is it bullish? Bullish is Matic? It has potential to be. I would say it's not as significant as Maddox, but I do like it. I do like it, BetaBot. Like I said, the only thing that I would say is that if we fail to sustain above the pivot where we're sitting at right now, right around like 269, 270 is the next stop. There's no reason why price can't go to that level. I'm not saying it's going to, but I'm saying it wouldn't surprise me if it did. Looks wild. I mean, it doesn't. It's a big drop. It definitely was a big drop. Let's see. BCH still up there doing nothing. What else? But yeah, crypto's just been absolutely just a whole lot of nothing. Yeah. ABC inside of a C again and again. Yep, that's what you like. That's what it's as annoying as it gets. That kind of gives you a little bit more confidence in a possible reversal once you start seeing ABCs within ABCs within ABCs. All right, let's see. I saw one chart saying AXS can hit 2020 level. I mean, I would see maybe in like the bull run. I don't see why not. That's a big play, but I don't see why. It's tough. I would say if it can break above 28, $75 is because this is a big cluster of resistance right here. So if we can get above $28, I don't see why we can't go to 75. I don't know about 166 right off the bat, but it's more of a wait and see kind of scenario. $13 looks safe. Yeah, I would agree with that. I would say the most realistic medium term wise is around 13 to 14 bucks. Maybe 20, maybe 28 as like a longer term bullish idea, but for the bull run, 75 I would say is fair. Is fair. $2020 as like the actual number 2000. Oh yeah, no, not a shot. No, not a shot. I'm sorry. You're smoking a lot of opium. What do you? There's something special in what they're smoking if they think 20 actual number 2020 is a number to a good number. We should do some political insider trading matching. I don't even know how to begin with that, Drew. I have no idea. Oh, you're talking about like you can see like Nancy Pelosi, what she buys and all that stuff, right? Is that what you're talking about? And just copy their moves. I don't know how like legit that is though. I think that's what you're talking about, Drew. I don't know why I'm still watching. It's so weird seeing the number here. 6K in profits. I know that's not like withdrawable, but like one of the things I realized over the course of like the last month or so is that not everyone who trades is successful, especially in Forex, but some of those who are legit and they make a lot of money, I understand how they can make a lot of money really fast. All right. To be honest, there's really not much to talk about when it comes to crypto updating or updates on crypto. I am going to do Wordle, and I'm going to take this downtime that I have to work on the Forex stuff. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the Forex strategy, how to trade it, please message me on Discord. I will be making an announcement in my Discord for those who are in it. I know some people don't really care for it and don't want to really get involved, or they don't really want to hear about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just kind of feel the room out and see what people think. And yeah. And then I'll open it up. Basically what I'll do is once the stuff is created, I'll have everything in a channel. From there, I will let you guys know. And then I'll add I'll add anyone in the Discord, currently in the Discord, who wants to learn more about Forex. So I'll go ahead and add you then. Thanks. No problem. No problem. Made them up. Let's go play some Wordle. Let's wrap things up. Again with the O in the second spot. Oh, I thought I was about to get a second try. That would have been an absolute snipe. L-O. Loyal? I am a genius. We won our trades, both trades in both sessions today, and we won Wordle within 3 tries. I'm on a roll today. I'm on the roll. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Be on the lookout. I'll be here tomorrow. All right. I'll try to get on stream a little bit at a more reasonable time, not as everything is happening. So I'll be a little bit more prepared. But thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. More like 3 seconds. That is true. I did get that pretty fast. I did get that pretty fast. So yeah. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a trading day. And hopefully we'll get to, if you guys want to participate, you can. But you guys don't have to. But yeah. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's your lucky day. Try your luck on Tinder, right? I should just lottery, Tinder, everything. Pop, take care. Thank you so much, Pratish. Thank you. Like I said, I'll be here on the same time tomorrow. So hope to see you guys there. If not, no worries. Not much going on. So yeah. Thank you guys again. I'm not gonna do a thing because I'm gonna be here tomorrow. So All right, I'll do like a quick one. I feel like every time I do this, something's off. Whether it's my hat, my glasses, my head.